I've got a combination now that involves undulations in place as well as one hip circles, inward and outward. Let's get to it. 1.5 bend and tuck, chest up, shoulders and arms. Let's start with 4 hip drops. Give me 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 undulations, 5 and 6, 7. Let's go back to the hip drops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now circle inward and inward. Let's try that faster. Give me 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, inward circle, 5, 6, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, and 1, 2, 3, 4, in and in. Excellent. Now we're going to add on 4 hip drops and 2 outward circles, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, circles out, 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now inward circles, in, back to hip drop. 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2 circles outward, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Rond de jambe. Let's do it on the other side. 4 basics. Give me 1, 2, 3, and 4. Undulate and undulate. Back to hip drops. 1, 2, 3, and circles inward. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's do a little faster here. 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 inward circles. Good. And freeze. Now back to the hip drop. Give me 1, 2, 3, and 4. Undulate, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now give me 1, 2, 3, circles outward, 5 and 6, 7. Let's speed that one up. Give me 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, outward circles. Good. From the top, 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7 again, 1, 2 circles in, 5, 6, back to hip drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now take it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's do it from right side to left to complete our combination. And 1, 2, undulate, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 inward circles, 5, 6, back to the hip drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, outward, rond de jambe, other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, roll and roll. Good. 1, 2, inward, 5, 6, back to the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll and roll. And 1, 2, outward, and release. Excellent. Take a deep breath and release. Good. Practice working inward and outward, understanding your direction and controlling the direction in the hip. Very good. We are going to look at the sway combo and then those undulations traveling laterally. Let's start in 1.5. In nice posture. Give me our sway combo. And 5, 6, 7. Give me sway and sway. Turkish. Again. Sway. Sway. Good. Let's do it again. Now add the arms. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Break. Nice. So we have broken that one down. If you need to revisit it, go back into the library and find the sway combo. Let's add on. 3rd position, undulations releve. 5, 6, 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. Good. Back in 1.5. Let's put those combos together. Starting with the sway. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me sway, sway, Turkish and Turkish. Again, sway and sway. Good. Add the arms up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Third position, undulations. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap and release. Excellent job. Let's keep going. 1.5, lifting and rolling. First 8 count combination, 3/4 shimmy, Algerian shimmy. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. So we've done this one before. This leaves our right foot open. We're now going to go into a chassé. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just the basic chassé. Let's take it from the top. 3/4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now give me that chassé. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snake arms, snake arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, leaving our right foot free. Hip twist for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Let's put that together. From the top, 3/4 shimmy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side to side. And in, chassé. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hip twist for 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Flat foot, adding on. Figure 8. Figure 8. Back to side. Left hip. Figure 8. Figure 8. Back to front. You remember this one. Up to tempo. And give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8. Figure 8. Large circle to the back. Again, figure 8. Figure 8. Large circle to the back. Let's put it together. 1.5, 3/4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, Algerian 6, 7, 8, side to side, and in, now chassé, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, lean and lean, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hip twist to the right for 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, good, flat feet, figure 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's do it again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chassé, chassé, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and lean, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hip twist for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, good, figure 8, it's right and left and back to side, it's left and right, back to side and close. Take a deep breath. Oh, and release. Okay girls, let's keep going. We're going to now go ahead and look at those medium hip circles, and we're going to start traveling with them and layering them with different arm positions. So let's begin. First of all, feet below hips in first position. Legs are straighter but soft. Pelvis is tucked in, rib cage tall, shoulders back, and arms in second position. Let's review those medium circles. Slide side, forward, side, pull back. Weight to the side, weight to the front, side, good. Now smooth it out. Side, front, side, back, good. So we have medium circles that we know from B1. We're going to start layering them and traveling with them. Good. One more time, hold it here. Let's reverse the direction, forward and back. I want you to feel the change of weight on your feet. So the weight goes forward on the toes, back on the heels. Forward and back, last time. And hold it to the side. Very nice. Let's close the feet in 1.5. We're going to introduce this, starting with the feet first. Give me step, together, step, and tap. Again, step, together, step. Try it again with me. So first things first, we're going to get the feet. Then we're going to add the weight change. Then we're going to add the hips. Then we'll add the arms. Good. One more time. So thinking step, close, step, and tap. Remember to tap. That's so important. Last time. And hold it here. Now we're going to continue, and I want you to push your weight forward and back with your pelvis. Front and back, front and close. Again, push forward, pull back, push forward and close. Again, it's 1 and 2, good, 3 and 4, here's 5, here's 6, here's 7, and release. Now we're going to add a circle and a half. Let's try it. Push and close, push and close. Again, weight goes forward, weight goes back, weight goes forward, tap. It's step, together, step, and tap. Again, step, together, step, and release. Now, if you're having trouble with this, go ahead and put your feet back in first position, arms up again, and I want you to start with the medium circles in place. Give me forward and back. Now, we can try this in a different way. Let's see how this feels. So we have our medium circle moving, and we're going to slowly start to slide the feet out to the side and back, naturally transitioning from side to side. So imagining you're trying to escape my class and you're trying to sneak out and you don't want me to notice you. So you're going to inch by inch circle your way out of the classroom. Good. Let's try it the other direction. Starting in place, forward and back. So first get the medium circle going, get the hip circle going, and then start to slowly, inch by inch, slide your feet. Good. Try not to think about it. This one is more of a natural concept, and we'll go back to that structured format with the footwork. Keep going. Last 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Good. 1.5. Let's try it now again with those feet. Give me 5, 6, just the feet. Step, together, step, and close. Step, together, add the weight change forward and back. Forward, back, forward, close. Last time, forward, back. Good. Add that circle and a half. It's forward, back, forward, and close. Good. Forward and back. Can we try this a little faster? Let's go. Step, together, step, touch, circle, and a half. Imagining that you're drawing a circle and a half on the floor. Good. A circle and a half, or a little curly cue. Good. Now keep those feet close. Keep those feet close. Beware of taking too large of steps, as this will throw your balance off. So keep those feet close and let the hips do the work. Good. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and break. Good. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to add arms, girls. We're going to start first with a variation of third position. We are in 1.5. Left hand touches the temple, right arm out to the side. Let's try the circle and a half, slow. 5, 6, 7, give me 1, 2, 3, and switch. So we have to switch those arm positions. 5, 6, again, give me 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we transition our arms on 4. Let's try it up to tempo, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Good. So now we're multitasking. We're layering now. We're adding some arms here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. And freeze. Now, fourth position, framing the hip. Let's try it. 5, 6, slow. Give me 1 and 2, 3, and switch. Frame the left and 2, 3. Let's try it faster. And circle and a half, switch. Circle and a half. Good. Framing the hip, pushing the hip, the left hip, and the right. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, break. Very nice. Take a deep breath up. Exhale out. And this completes your circles. Let's continue. Now, if you're having trouble with the straight leg shimmy, we have an exercise that you can do. You're going to sit on the floor with your toes flexed up to the ceiling, shoulders back, leaning back, and you're going to gently bounce your knees back and forth off the floor. This is going to help your brain create muscle memory and help synchronize those knees. So you can practice this while you watch TV for a few minutes here and there. You can also do both knees at the same time. Okay, this is going to help you with synchronization. You might have one knee that's off or stronger than the other, so it throws off your shimmies. Good, both knees again, really fast. Good job, girls.